the main reason why we are here.
Spicy chicken burger. Over.
Where? Oh, shops. Tell me, where are we going today?
Spain.
Spain. Dry sick? Hello. Hello. What a service. We already got water. Free water. Hola, ¿qué tal? Welcome to Madrid. Bienvenidos. The metro station. Going to the city center. Are we gonna buy something like a day ticket? No?
One single ticket, yes.
Just one way? Okay. We are taking the metro number 8. Uy. So the metro is coming in 3 minutes and we paid 12 euros and 50 cents for 2 persons, and yeah, it's a single ticket only.
Same metro.
Same metro in Lisbon. And I'm so happy because the sun is shining here. It's really nice weather. Although it's a bit chilly, but yeah, it's better than in Germany because when we left it was really raining there. One last ride, guys, and then we will get off here at Sol, so that's the city center. Let's go. So we are already here at Plaza del Sol and it's so busy, and I'm so happy that the sun is shining because it's so beautiful, guys. It's just that there's a lot of construction going on here, and they are currently building this huge Christmas tree. So yeah, the main reason why we are here. That's the main reason why we are here. But we're gonna go first to our hostel. It's just like few blocks away from here. We're gonna leave our stuffs there and then we're gonna go ham. That's where we're gonna be staying, guys. It's just like, it's right in the heart of Madrid here. Clean na. Oh my god, look at this building here. So nice. It's already open. Okay. So, welcome to our hostel.
Hola.
Hola. Can you please give us a room tour?
Room tour.
Yes.
That's all of it.
But all of it.
The bathrooms.
The bathroom.
Is small.
But it's nice. We have a little bathtub. We have this aparador. And this is our bed. It looks so cute.
There's even a balcony, sex.
Yes. Let's check the view. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. You can see the old buildings. Really nice looking. Super nice. It's 280 for 3 nights. Breakfast is not included, but it's okay. There's Jollibee nearby. Jollibee is just around the corner. We're not gonna be doing like super touristy thing today because we are really tired. We're just gonna chill today. We still have 2 more days to do those touristy things. For now, we're just gonna relax a little bit, freshen up, and then I'll talk to you later, guys. My energy level is like 1000% now.
Why?
Because nice weather, and then we're on our way to Jollibee. Are you excited to eat? What do you want to eat?
I don't know, but
I hope they have rice, so let's check it out. And also this spicy chicken. That is my favorite back in the Philippines. I think this is like a shopping street, no? And there's a lot of trendy restaurants and nice shops. Just too bad it looks so nice there, that square, but unfortunately they are doing some constructions. Oh my god, welcome to the Jollibee here. The interior is so cool and it's so huge. Ich habe oben gecheckt und es ist so groß.
ja.
Ja, gibt noch viel Platz. Where do you want to sit? Also watch people here while eating. This iconic Jolly spaghetti,
Das ist nice.
rice, and
Das ist
what is that? Chicken.
die Box.
Yeah, it's all mine. Are you sure? And then pineapple juice. What else? The gravy is a bit limited. How much did we pay for this? Everything? 28 euros for everything. So let's begin. The spaghetti. How is it? Good? Let me try. Which one is better? Mine or this one?
Yours.
Mine. Chicken. But the gravy is so limited. Like in the Philippines, you can get unlimited gravy for free. And this one you have to pay extra. They don't have plate as well, so.
Dein Pullover.
Where? Oh shucks. I spilled the gravy here. And it's been like 5 years since the last time I went to a Jollibee store. So yeah, but it's really good. It feels so homey. We can go here like every day, right? It's just like few blocks away from our hostel, and then we can have dinner here and tomorrow breakfast. So let's try everything what they have, like everything on the menu. Let's try it. So yeah, I'm so happy.
Spicy chicken burger.
Okay. Excited to roam around, check the area, and there are so many nice buildings here, right? And those narrow streets, like it looks like in Barcelona. How do you call this Gothic street in Barcelona, Honig? La Rambla, was that? Where we went to? Yeah. And there are so many people here. I didn't expect it, since it's already off season, no? And there are also like this chocolate factory or chocolate, how do you call it? Chocolateria? Chocolaterias that I'm so curious about, because the people are really falling in line just to buy one. I would love to try it, maybe later. Mayor, and it looks so beautiful. And it's just too bad there's a lot of construction going on here, and they're starting to build this Christmas market and stuff. But look at that. Look at the wall painting. It's so beautiful. But 1 week later, if you're gonna come back here, then we could experience the Spanish Christmas market. Must be so nice too. Now you cannot appreciate the real beauty of Plaza Mayor because of this stuff going on here, no? Lots of restaurants around.